Well, this is a typical London terraced front garden. I have to say it was quite a transformation because this was simply just paved over. But now we've managed to create this delightful garden. Believe it or not, this garden is in full shade for most of the day. So we've had to plant it with plants that enjoy being in those conditions. And for real architectural impact, we've planted these 3 half-standard topiary trees that run along the centre of the bed. Now, have a look at this here. Now, this shows you what you can do in shade. This is a lovely tapestry of different textures, different colours of foliage, which really will create interest for 12 months of the year. And we've edged this bed with this unanimous hedging, which really adds to the architectural evergreen structure of the garden. So the hard materials you use within the garden are really important as well because they help with creating more interest. So as well as this limestone paving, we've also got another texture into the design with this gravel which runs all the way around the central bed. So if you'd like us to create the garden of your dreams, why not get in touch via the website?